Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hasfizar Fansaniago with student ID 2411 522-037. In the second assignment, part 2, uh, I will discuss the software used by IT student and non-IT students. Previously, I had a brief interview with my friend regarding this topic. His name is Muhammad Al-Farisi Balova. He is student majoring in accounting, Faculty of Economy and Business in Andalas University. Here is a summary of the interview result that I have conducted. The difference of the software used by IT student and accounting student lies in the specific needs of their fields of study. There's some difference like IT students, the needs of the programming software is programming language and development tool like IDE, Visual Studio, VS Code, PyCharm, IntelliJ. Uh, so like text editor like Sublime Text or VS Code, software for web developments such as React, Angular, and Django, software database and database and data management like MySQL and PostgreSQL, programming and system design tool, software like UML tools, like Lucidchart for designing, flowchart, class diagram, and use diagram. And you can use GitHub for code management. Difference by the accounting student for the accounting and bookkeeping software such as QuickBooks, Sage, or MyOp used to record financial transaction and generate financial reports. Uh, More like spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet are very important to financial data analysis and report creation. Uh, IT students focus more on software that supports software development, database management, system analysis, and as well as tools like for coding and design. But for accounting students, more often use software related to bookkeeping, financial analysis, as well as financial reporting and planning. Comparing the price, IT student and accounting student software is far greatly depending on the type of license, personal or commercial use, whether the software has a free or discount version for student. IT student tend to have the more option for free software, especially for the software development and source code like VS Code, GitHub, and others. For the accounting students, tend to need more paid software. Some tools like Excel also have an annual fee, although there are free alternatives like Google Sheet. What more expensive and cheapest is depends of the needs of the software. Uh, Move to the most reliable or most or least reliable of the software that we use. Uh, the most reliable software generally VS Code, GitHub, Excel, QuickBooks are highly reliable choice due to their stability, extensive community support, and consistent update. But for the most unreliable or least reliable software like Sage and Myop are often reported to have some issues related to user support and difficulty interface usage. But it depends to user experience though. Uh, Next to the what most difficult and easiest to use. Comparison the usage difficulty. Software for IT students. Uh, easiest uh, easiest like VS Code, GitHub. Both are very easy to use, especially for beginners. Most difficult like Docker. Require a deeper understanding of containerization and can be confusing for new user who do not have a technical background. Software for accounting students that easiest is Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is more common use or relatively is easy to use for basic tasks. Although there are some advanced features that take time to learn. Most difficult is Tableau. Although it's very full in data analysis, Tableau has a steeper learning curve due to many features that new user needs to be understand. Uh, Move to the which one the best or the worst is software. It depends on the specific needs to user and the context issues. Best software in IT field, uh, in IT field is Visual Studio Code and GitHub. Both are very useful. In the accounting, Microsoft Excel and QuickBooks is very versatile tool and that has stood the test of time. But QuickBooks is the most popular choice for the small business accounting with user-friendly interface. For the worst software in IT field is Docker, and in the accounting field is Sage and Myobi. Uh, Move to the which is the most or least user-friendly. Uh, User-friendly in IT, I think it's VS Code because it's simple and lightweight. Uh, but for the accounting field, my friend, my friend told me he the Microsoft Excel is commonly used, but and so the one of the most user-friendly, familiar, and widely used software in various industry. Software is not user-friendly in IT like Docker. Like I said before, although it's very powerful, Docker has a step learning curve. It's more difficult to beginner to understand. In accounting, he told me, but Sage and Tableau are more complex interface and has numerous feature and requires more time to learn. So that is the topic that I talk about. Uh, have you understand? Thank you for the attention. Uh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.